Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most recognizable data visualization tools, the pie chart. If you want to show how different categories make up a whole, the pie chart is a fantastic choice. So, what is a pie chart? It divides a circle into sectors, and each sector size is proportional to the quantity it represents. This makes it super easy to see the percentage or proportion of each category at a glance. Let's say we want to see the distribution of travel destinations, how requests are spread across different locations. Here's how you can create a pie chart for this scenario. First, go to your dashboard. Click on Stats and select the relevant data source, like your travel report. From the right panel, choose the pie chart option. Now, let's set up our chart. In this case, our dimension should be the travel destination. Dimensions are the categories you want to compare, in this case, different destinations. The metric is what we're measuring, the number of requests for each destination. So, we'll use the requested by field. Simply drag the destination field into the dimension area and the requested by field into the metric area. And just like that, your pie chart shows the distribution of travel requests by destination. Each slice of the pie represents a destination, and the size of each slice shows how many requests were made for that location. With a pie chart, you can instantly see which destinations are most popular and how each one compares to the others. It's a great way to visualize proportions and make your data easy to understand. Want your chart to stand out? Customize your pie chart by adding labels, adjusting colors, or highlighting key categories. And that's how you use a pie chart to show the distribution of travel destinations. Pie charts are perfect for displaying proportions and making your data visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more data visualization tutorials. Have questions or want to see more examples? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.